If you've commented on a pin on Pinterest and somehow want to delete your comment, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to delete comments from Pinterest. So you want to find that pin that you want to delete the comment from, and it must be a pin that you already comment on. And as you can see, for example, this pin here, if I scroll down to the comments, keep in mind that the comments may be collapsed like this. And so you'd have to just simply click on the word comments and it's going to expand those comments. Now you'll be able to find where you made a comment. So for example, here I have made a comment. In order to delete this comment, I can click the three dots towards the lower right hand side of that comment, and I have two options. I have an edit button, which I can use to edit it and change it to something else, or I have the delete button, and I can just simply click on delete, and it's going to delete my comment. Alternatively, if you make a comment, not to someone's comment, but your comment in general, like for example, I type the word amazing and then I post this, I can always go ahead and delete that as well. So you want to find the comment of yourself, click the three dots, and then you want to click on delete, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.